In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get Bingo coins in Bingo Blitz. So let's get started. First thing first, open up your Bingo Blitz app on your device. Don't skip your daily login bonus. Just opening the game every day gives you coin, and the rewards get bigger the more consistent you are. And next one is by sending and receiving gifts. When you connect with Facebook and add friends, you can send and collect free coins every day. Plus, the friend can help you unlock locked room faster. Next, join in on mini games like Bingo Slot. Tap onto the three horizontal line on the right side of your screen. Here, you will be able to see a slot option right under the friend center. Here, you will able to join some mini games so you can complete and collect more coins. Next, you can also spin the daily wheel. All of these gives you chance to win big coins. Hope that helped you boost your Bingo Blitz bank. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.